But to start with the top line figure, your thoughts?
Yeah, I thought it was really solid, and I think when you're over 300,000, I would have assumed that the markets would have sold off very quickly as a result of that because it would have ignited concerns for wage inflation spirals. But really, that 311,000 was mostly built on the back of service sector jobs gains, and actually wages didn't really accelerate to the pace that people were concerned about. So as a result, you could probably make the case that this is one of those Goldilocks readings that indicates resilience in the broader economy without necessarily stoking further inflation concerns. I think that was also replicated by the fact that we only had modest revisions for January and December tallies. And the January number in particular jumps out because it was only downgraded to a gain, I think it was 504,000, which is very close to the 517 was first printed, and a number that virtually everyone said had to be some kind of fluke or some kind of statistical anomaly. So the fact that the Labor Department is holding firm to that January gain and saying that we added another 300,000 on top of that does suggest that the economy carried a lot of momentum into the first half of the year from the latter part of last year. And that has, without question, sort of raised optimism with respect to whether or not that strength can be carried through into the second half of this year.